Hey, good morning everybody. Hope you're doing really well. I'm out here at BLM land in Arizona, just outside or just inside Quartzsite, and this is Dome Rock here. I'm of course very happy to have a cactus tree here to park next to. This is free 14-day camping here. Where the sun is at over there, there is official Dome Rock, and everybody camps over there. This spot's just a little quieter and remote. I'm actually camping out here with one friend, but I basically left the group real quick just to, well, do my thing. This is my thing, guys. It's nothing magical or special. It's just the desert, but I mean, in a lot of ways, this is what I work for all year round, is to come out here, pop up the solar. I got a full tank of water, 58 gallons. My gray and black's empty. I mean, you just can't beat it. It's fun. It's really exciting. You just live off the land out here. There's always going to be drawbacks like gas. The cheapest is $2.35 a gallon, and you know, every 2 weeks I've got to go into town to get more water and dump my tanks and stuff. But I even thought about if I was going to stay out in this area doing the long-term visitors area pass. It's $180 for 7 months, September through April. $180. And there are 4 campgrounds here in Arizona, 2 just inside California, and it's still BLM land, but you get access to drinking water, a dump station, and trash facilities, and they have restrooms. Some of them have showers and other amenities. So just thought maybe I would do that, even though I'm not even going to spend anywhere close to 6 months out here. But still, we'll see. I'm really just enjoying the peace and serenity right now, and I will meet up with the group later, soon. I mean, it's my intention to meet as many cool people as possible, but you also have to understand, well, I went into downtown just to go to the swap meet and the big tent down there, and just every other person knows me from YouTube, which is really totally exciting. It's just I didn't get to like look at much. I was talking to people and taking selfies, and that was fun too. But I still want to kind of do my own thing and camp out here, obviously, as well. So yeah, I got the stroller out for Jax. We took him to see people there too. And here's my cactus in front, which is somebody has put together a bunch of quartz rocks all over itself. We are in Quartzsite, so that makes sense. Just deserty. Yeah. And not bad today. I'm still hanging out in the shade over here because it's like 75 degrees and I'm sweating. Nobody else seems to be sweating, but I'm sweating because it's pretty warm for winter. Can't complain. I love it. Before I forget, I get 2 channels. That is all I get with my big antenna. I get Univision and Azteca, Mexican TV. So good thing I have 4 out of 5 bars of Wi-Fi out here to do my uploads and Netflix and other shows and stuff. Otherwise, yeah, cell service seems to be really well out here for AT&T at least, but not very good TV reception. And I got this nice aluminum coffee percolator here at the big tent. Big as in, this is like a group version, okay? 12 cups of coffee can be made in this. It's that style, you know, that you put the coffee grounds in and everything. So I'll be able to make coffee for everybody. And I also got a new plug because mine is melted on the inside right there. So I'll be doing that as well as a couple other projects. How you doing, Jax, man? Yeah, I'm going outside. Nice and sunny. I got other parts, but I want to save those for future projects here in the desert. But there's a couple of things I want to do to fix the RV, make some changes to the RV while I'm here. Because for the most part, it's just kind of sit down and hang out. Unless I'm with other people, then I'm probably just talking and hanging out, but feeling good, guys. I'm feeling really good. Happy to share this with you out here. I'll put the GPS coordinates where I'm parked right here, but Dome Rock camping, 14-day BLM, it covers a very wide area. You can even go onto Google Maps and just type Dome Rock BLM. It'll take you right to where you need to register. You do need to register with the host on site most times of the year. But yeah, I'll show you where I'm at for now. I may be back later, or I may go to a different part later. We'll see. I'm gonna go for a little walk today, get some exercise before I take my shower, and wanted to share something with you guys. No biggie, but I just wanted to share this with anybody else trying to do packages down here in Quartzsite. You gotta be really, really careful, because yesterday I went to pick up a few packages, 1 from Amazon and 2 fairly large packages with some new merchandise, custom merchandise in it. All 3 of those packages were shipped UPS to an RV park that I was going to stay at. Unfortunately, the actual city of Quartzsite, you needed to know this, They have a rule that they will not deliver any parcel package. I'm not talking about an envelope through the mail, but a parcel package. They will not deliver it unless there is a P.O. box listed. So even if you're in an RV park like I was with a lot number, it still has to, below that line on the third line, also has to have a P.O. box address. Otherwise, they instantly, at UPS and at the post office, they instantly deny it and return it to sender. They never even load it on a truck and try to deliver anything. Had I known that, because it's kind of weird, I would not have wasted so much money. Bear with me, I'm gonna figure this out, guys, but the stroller that I ordered for Kevin on Amazon was shipped back to Amazon, and the 2 boxes of merchandise, both coffee cups and t-shirts that were custom printed and shipped here, have already been returned to the sender, which I'm still in contact with, but I cannot move forward until they get receipt of those back to them, and then I can try to figure out something else. But I'm just letting you know, you are going to have to find somebody or go somewhere else. Do not try to get an actual parcel package here in Quartzsite, because they have weird rules. You know, they just don't like the idea that people come here for a couple months. And it's not even really abuse, because like I said, I paid for an RV park and had packages sent to where I was at, but like I said, they got some really specific rules, and I bet the town's just kind of tired of people coming here and exhausting all of their resources just for a few months out of the winter. So my bad, I didn't know that. I learned a very, very hard, expensive lesson yesterday in my merchandise, and I hope to give you guys an update with some better news here soon, but I will not have any merchandise for RTR, unfortunately. And that's all I'm going to say about that. It is no biggie. I'm moving on. So I'm actually going to get back on the road and go north. I got to find a Walmart, need some supplies. So we're going to head up to Parker today. Hey everybody, I found the lost treasure. Clearly, right? Just a little piece of old abandoned casino parts here, because I'm here at the Blue Water Casino in Parker, Arizona. Friendly to RV parking overnight. And so the casino is right on the water here on the Colorado River, little inlet marina. And this is one of their hotels. Anybody see that they've shaped it like a ship here right on the marina, which I think is kind of creative and neat. Okay, so we're in an area that obviously gets really, really hot in the summertime, right? And this is a massive casino and hotel. Look at the system in place for air conditioning to keep this place cool in the summer. It's massive. Okay, this rock doesn't look abnormal from this side, but if we walk back to here where I just walked past this, come on guys, tell me that rock doesn't look like a dog with no legs. Is that funny or what? It's even got the, I mean, that's a dog. That's hilarious. Yeah, so we got the Colorado River here, guys. It's beautiful. However, all over the shoreline here, the Blue Water Casino has posted signs that say no swimming. It's curious because, I mean, it'd be great. Today'd be a great day to hop in the Colorado River for a little swim. I'm not sure how they're able to enforce that rule. I'll bet people just jump in anyway. I mean, technically I am standing on casino property right now, but the water, they don't own the Colorado River, so I'm not sure how they can say that we're not allowed to swim in the river, like the no swimming signs. I'm not sure. But I am not going to argue about that. It's no big deal. It's just too bad. Maybe just walk down a quarter mile and go swimming or something. The water is green but pretty clear. I mean, you can see down to the bottom right here by the dock. In case you're wondering, I've actually been here 2 nights now, and what I've been trying to do basically the last 2 or 3 videos is to get more current with my videos so that when I arrive at RTR, I'll kind of have the same delay as everybody else, and I'm shooting for about 2 or 3 days there. So I've been spending a lot of time, 2 or 3 nights in spots, and then turning those into one video. That's my way of getting a little more real time with you all here. And this is my last stop before I go back down. Just to give you an idea, I'm in Parker, Arizona, about 45 miles straight north of Quartzsite where the RTR happens. So I'm gonna pack up today and head on back. I'm spending tonight here and then going in the morning back down to Quartzsite to meet up with the group. I had a really nice little break and everything worked out really well. And I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do as far as how long I'll stay or where I'll be. But I will just say this, in the next few videos to come, RTR is from January 11th to the 21st, says Bob Wells of Cheap RV Living. So if I happen to be with a group in a specific part of Quartzsite, I will be putting live updates in the video description below, and then I will be removing those updates that I write, copy and paste the GPS coordinates. I'll be removing them when I leave. So that's just to kind of help people who are down here and we're wondering, because the desert is a big area and RTR is going to be spread out over a massive amount of spots and stuff like that. So I do ask that you just respect everybody's privacy while we're there. You know, don't be knocking at all times of the day, and understand, you know, that we're all kind of doing stuff and we still have a job to film and edit and get stuff done, and probably want a little bit of privacy from here or there. But, you know, me personally, if my door's open and my screen's shut, that doesn't necessarily mean come on in. Sometimes it means it's too warm and I want to let fresh air in. But certainly I don't want you to be discouraged from coming to say hi. So, you know, please just knock and say, Eric, you got a minute? And I'll try to give every single person at least a few minutes of my time. I'll stop whatever I'm doing to hang out and talk with you and meet you, take a picture and chat a little bit, I promise. But be looking in the video description of the next 4 videos or so. And if you see GPS coordinates says live location and stuff like that, that's where I really am. And I will do my best to keep those updated for you throughout the week. But I'm really excited and this should be fun. Yeah, so, okay, we'll see you in a couple days, guys. Bye-bye.